it's me again. So today I'm going to do a little something different. I've been doing a lot of sanding, and today we have this sample piece here. We're going to drill some holes for our next step. Alright, so we got these already pre-sanded. We're going to just lay this down. Alright, perfect. Now we got our Black & Decker drill. We have a piece of tape here so that we know we only want to go this far. That's it. We got one done. Oh boy. I went too far. Uh-oh. You're not supposed to be going all the way through. What happened? Oops. Dee-dee-dee. That sucks. Hopefully the hubby can use it. I'm going to try a couple more. And then I might be done with this and go back to some sanding.